Hey, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to be restemming a couple of Savinellis that a friend of mine, Jim Steffi, sent over and asked me to refit them. And so the first thing to do is to find a 10 in diameter that'll work, and happen to find that. This one, both of them are roughly the same, about a 3/8 or maybe a 7 mm, something like that. And I think what I'm going to do with this bent is I'm going to use this black and orange. I think that's going to mix in well with the colors that are coming out here, showing through in this blasted stummel. And then, and of course, this is going to be a bent pipe. And then there's a billiard here that's got this sort of a sea rock rustication on it. I like this, really kind of cool. And I think what I'm going to do with this, I like the way like a Christmas tree green and or Kelly green perhaps, and then a little bit darker mixes with this tan. And this is going to be a straight pipe, so that'll be pretty cool. So if you want to hang in there, watch me build both of these stems and refit them to the pipe, and then do some refinishing on these stummels. Today, the tobacco of choice is this. It's called shepherd's pie, and I'm waiting to get a friend of mine that sent this to me, and I'm waiting to get the blend components here. I'm going to have this in this cherry wood billiard that I made a few months ago. I made a few of these, and there wasn't a whole lot of interest by folks. I smoke this cherry wood quite often, and man, it holds up well. It's a nice dry smoke. It's inexpensive to make, and they're just good work pipes. You know, you don't worry about banging them up or anything like that. So I'll make a few more eventually and put them up, and if you get the urge, maybe give one a try sometime. All right, so hang in there and let's get started on these. Okay, so I'm back again. I and technology don't get along very well, apparently, because I was recording, or at least I thought I was recording, this whole rebuild process, and come to find out that my battery was dead the whole time I thought I was recording. So there's a couple of hours of footage that you're not going to see, but you do get to see the end result. So essentially what I did was, if you remember from the first part of the video, this was like a flat tan, and I had the acrylic piece, made it into more of a Bing shape, bit of a longer pipe. I think it turned out pretty good. I like the contrast of the black band around here, and then followed by the various shades of green in the acrylic stem. This sea rock effect is really cool. This has got some light tan and buckskin blend of different coats of buckskin and light tan to achieve this effect. And then it's coated with shellac. So there's that one. And then this one was kind of interesting. The shank on this Savinelli was really irregular. So I took some liberties with this and took down the shank a little bit in order to make it flow better with the stem, and came up with a nice nice polished bent ebonite stem, very comfortable. Cordovan dye. I re-sandblasted this, by the way. Took it out, blasted all the old finish off of it, and because I had to work this down, this became smooth, so I had to retexture this with a light sandblasting. So the deep sandblast fades into a light sandblast, fades into the stem. And then this one also, after 3 or 4 coats of Cordovan, solid Cordovan dye, I applied 3 or 4 coats of shellac to this, some steel wool, and then buffed it out. So there you have it. 2 redos, rebuilds, old Savinelli stummels, put new stems on them, breathe new life into some old pipes. Savinellis are, good factory pipes, and there's no reason to not to continue enjoying them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.